how's it going? Today we're gonna draw a ghoul, a kind of like scary ghoul. It's very ghost-like, but it's like mainly like an evil ghost, really. So, I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw a curve up. It's gonna have a kind of horns at the top of that. Real simple shape, right? I'm gonna go over here and curve across here for the roundness of the top of the head. I'm gonna go over here, up, down here on this side, down, right on. I'm gonna pull down a bit more here to give that kind of neck area. Pulling out, out over here, out over here. And I'm going to curve out for the arm, curve out for the arm on this side. And what I'm going to do here on this side is I'm going to curve on the inside of the armpit here, curve on the inside of the armpit. Out here for the hand, curve out for the inner arm. Out here for the flat of the arm, curve out over here. Don't forget, by the way, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification if you like learning how to draw spooky and scary stuff. I'm going to be posting it all year round, so absolutely stick around. I post one video a day, okay? And I'm going to throw out here for the thumb area, down, up, over here on this side, out, down, out, in, and then another finger, like so. Over here on this side, same thing, thumb area, and kind of the fingers over here, right, running down. Probably needs an extra finger on this side. And then the bottom of it is going to be like a ghost or a genie. Like that, right? Same thing over here. It's going to shrink as it goes down. It's got that genie or ghost thing going on. Alright, we're going to go to the eye. Line down. Over here on this side. Line up. Don't forget, check out the Gumroad. I'm going to put the link in the description. Check out the Gumroad. There's free resources there. There's a template on how to draw a head. It's just like a worksheet. Completely free. Go check that out. In the link. Go over here. Out. Out. For the eyes. And then I'm going to go down here and I'm going to make that eye like a triangle. Triangle on this side. Go over here for the mouth. And I'm going to draw a line on one side of the mouth. It's going to have an open mouth. Line over here on this side. And then I'm going to draw the kind of zigzag shape here for the teeth. Then over here on this side. If you want to give it a, let me see. I think that's mostly it. That would pretty much be mostly it. We can fill in this area, like the mouth. Just kind of fill it in to give it some contrast, right? You want that contrast so it bounces off the page. Like so. You know, that's pretty much it, honestly. I'm trying to like figure out more. I guess you could draw like he's got pec muscles, right? Like line here. Like he's a line over here at the clavicle. And you can give him a little six-pack there, right? Just like lines. Maybe draw a line over here underneath the deltoid there. Maybe even here in the elbow. Over here in the crick of the elbow. But that's mostly a ghoul, right? A little bit different than like a ghost. This guy's out for no good. But I want to thank you very much for watching. Please do me a huge favor and like share the video if you can. This is a Halloween drawing channel, but through the year I'm doing more ghost related and scary art. Through the year I post one video a day still, and I'm going to actually keep going on it. Very hardcore. So absolutely reach out to me. Say hi to me. Say what's up. Hey, how's it going? You know, wish me luck. And I want to wish you luck as well on your drawing journey. If you have any drawing questions, let me know, right? And I'm going to make them happen, all right? I'm going to make them, I'm going to let you know pretty much what I think about them. pretty much it. I will talk to you next time, and I'll see you in the following video. So see you tomorrow. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up. And you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent. And you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.